We are really happy about our opening here in Morocco. We have received such a warm welcome from our customers. And today is a really special day. Not only do we open the first 2 stores here in Casablanca, it is also the 50th country we open youth stores in. And at the same time, the first time we will be present on a new continent. So all in all, an amazing day. As you can see, we have many customers here coming to see what is our Scandinavian design all about. Can the prices really be this great? They are here to discover. We look forward to many stores more in Morocco. We are about to finalize store number 3, also here in Casablanca, and we continue to search for new locations, not only in Casablanca, but also in Rabat, in Marrakesh, and in other cities around Morocco. So we are super happy to be here with our Scandinavian sleeping and living concept, and we hope to see many more Moroccan customers joining us for this celebration. Why Morocco? Yes, that's a good question. We are in all countries in Europe, and we were looking at different possibilities to go outside of Europe, and we decided on Morocco. It is really close to Europe in terms of logistics. We love the people here, and we see great possibilities to give you something which is not really present at the market. So all in all, a big win-win we believe in, for us and for the customers here in Morocco.
قبل ما تخرجوا ما تنسوش تضغطوا على زر الاشتراك وتفعلوا الجرس باش يوصلكم كل جديد ولو بخاس.